Right, so that's a father and a son thing. Samini, Stonebwoy, they call this one Climax. Back in the days, somewhere 2011, 2012, this song was released. Climax. Those days, Samini and Stonebwoy were father and son thing. Folks, good morning. Good morning. Live on your radio, 93.3 FM. It's a Friday thing, and I'm super excited to be on the radio, as you already know, especially when it's Friday. I did my elements inside. Okay, so today happens to be a beautiful Friday morning, and this is what we usually call it Freaky Funky Friday. Sometimes we add a freestyle. 14th day of the month, October, and we're still going. We're still approaching Christmas. We're still on the way to say bye-bye to 2022, and I hope we all live to see 2023. Say amen to that. Amen. Right, so you tuned into the best mid-morning. No doubt about that. Yes, certainly this is the best mid-morning in the enclaves. And my name is Jenny Champon Boatin Cosmos. Call me Bruce Money. Call me Kobina Costi. I brought upon the perfect gentleman. So for me, Jodo. Come upon the amount of day. Aha, ne ho asamanyen nebusia. Be bobi akwaba. And the Bahinkai 93.3 FM. Let's get interactive on our social media platforms. On Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. Mahinkai 93.3 FM. That's the name of the handle. Yeah. And send me a text on WhatsApp. A normal SMS on 0594-841-044. 0594-841-044. Send me a text right now on 93.3 FM. I'll be more than glad to give you a live mention. Jump on Facebook as well. Leave your messages. Leave your messages in the comment section. I'll go there and I'll read all the message for you. Right, so I'll bring you our daily dose of motivations, our daily dose of Vim, our DDOV. Here on 93.3 FM, let me say a very big thank you to my solid production team. Right, so Krisha is going out to Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, Kobe K, Nanato Pine the first. So we on from now to 12 p.m. Good morning, man Kobe. Right, so we are Krisha to all my taxi drivers. Shall I feeling it to say? Feeling it to send a Friday. I said, we are Shayambo. Because I said, we are somewhere bizarre. And if you see a crab body, maybe share some hatchet. It's a minimum course was here. Hey, Shabon Sanwaba, what a choco. Alright, so Chris to Brad David, Apasco, Rauf MP3 to Stagger, Obama, Ricardo Tanko, Obatampa Jonathan, Obofo Michael Medeshie, Tilapia, and Koma Swagger, and Alfay Bright Weezy, Piero, Okasia Brakwami, and Opay Michia Wingina, Mr. Urban Fashion, Salum de Gambia. I said the phone in a new back open, Berman Quine, KNL Fashion. More to say. Alfay SDA Junction, I'm in here. Bramaika, we are carpenter, our SDA Junction. One Chehona. Girls' time is the best fashion, so boho. The shouts and come on, Mahana. On any girls, Nina. Kojo, Osi a mechanic. Our my Jehona, Hana, Kojo, be about God here. Prof P, good morning. And out for Party's Golden Scissors. Aseda Beauty Salon. Genesi Fashion. Yen go straight to a Kamani Junction. Jaji wa Kamani Junction. And out for Charity Fashion. A Kamani Junction. Yen go straight. Yen Fusro. Now for you do liberty for the man. Yen track of Kakrabino. 1 way quanizo. Yen ya call. You drew old education. Quality fashion. Quality fashion. Old education wa. Pam mema no ma bruta. Quality. And up a good morning want to send me abo call there. Afo yan kwada ho akotomo rease. Frida's clothing. Ma Frida. Auntie Frida. Sister Frida. Blessing Mommy Frida. Good morning. Yeah, Chamina. Makatra was say, Sawo Pamadio, Sawo ya hairdresser, we a taxi driver, a provision store. In fact, Adia we be with ya hen kind, Titru near Juma. So, whom what time I catch them, Cobana mit Sew show no. Kansaka catch me. Sikasambia ni yajiska there be my no there. One tin yet ya. Near my sharks na. Okay, Shabu Sabe statue Messi. Also, Wabuwa, I say the Debia Zubiamusa, or Pamadia Wabuwa from Mr. Chumesi. And I'm in a Shabonaman and conforming to Chie from KNL Fashion. Through on your bomb with these, whom you catch me, who shall catch red, who can be catch red. Let me show the yes, you didn't ye, honey, I say. Yanamuna, ye, Jumano, come on. And the ponso ya the Rejoice of Yabim, Jaden, and today happens to be Priscilla's birthday. Shabonia Priscilla birthday. Contest stop. And then Priscilla birthday. Happy birthday. Sorry, your channel. It's happy birthday in advance. Your channel. And then mom, na koko. My own na koko. The birthday. Copy video me and come papa na koko deal. It is my mission, my man special. Okay, Tino. A happy birthday to Ellen. Now this is your Mrs. And a happy birthday to Mrs. Techi Ellen, aka Nakoko, aka Obaya, aka Ya Baby, aka Fine Boys, mommy. It's a happy birthday to you. I'm going to put much now, so I Priscilla birthday. Happy birthday in advance. I come up Priscilla. Right, say Friday. And then, I come my baby your phone line. You know we didn't come watch your papa, me boy. You know we didn't come watch your papa. I come my baby your phone line. And even didn't come catch them, say baby, I will send you. Catch them, say I will turn you. You know we didn't come watch your papa. And then come my baby your phone line. Oh, fra, what's the combination Saha? We started in here. Child veteran free. Yeah. Mame Pacho no ma dia ombo. It's a Kwabema 93.3 FM. Audio Money. Rude boy. Good morning.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Charlie and Trabian to feel what? Snow, go to me now. What's it? now but Charlie and Fabian to feel what. Shino ultimately now was what.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Wow, wait me out you from A to Z pa. Oh, see a Joska. As I tell it, and Friday night zone. And I'm pinning in at 10 on the sound of my room. Last mate with Satele. Guy with me a hardcore fan of this guy. Yeah. Time I know what MTN hits maker. Do you know he's a rapper? Do you know he won the contest. See, he wasn't a singer. Time I know or Johnny MTN. Yes, he wasn't a singer, he was a rapper. Shaja. At least me vote 3 times in a man. 50 pesos me and Santi once in the 50 pesos. What did me once in the 50 pesos paying? I to make Kahuno win here. Well, but I'm being honest, this guy, he was a very good rapper. And time I was started so blown, I was wondering why he shifted from rap to singing. But anyway, Abuano. I said Ghana had attention and any rap game. This was and yes sir, and see, let me say this on record. Tifro, strong man no niam, maka. Yes, but see, the truth be say, the level of Tifro, strong man no near. So when you rap up, man, you won't argue. Why if you want to argue to keep it. My top point of film. Alright, so we'll go straight to our daily dose of motivation here on 93.3 FM, exactly 52 minutes after 10. And you tune in to 93.3 FM, the best mid-morning. I won't put them hanging the best mid-morning. So yesterday, I posted on my Facebook timeline, say, I am very wise to share your opinion, but very unwise to think your opinion is final. I am saying this because I used to say this is the best mid-morning. It's my opinion, and I know why I'm saying that. So if you also think this is not, it's your opinion. But they're very wise to share your opinion, and very unwise to think your opinion is final. You get it? Okay, Gianco straight here, daily dose of motivations, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, so I say. And I get bro, for all your wedding photographies, Fokodan Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Epacha open Tadie. Open Sawayan Tadie and Swire Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. And a bit me abow. Caught I am printing Tadie Papa Pan Embroidery. Papa Pan for my fair was 0245 276638. You're watching what down Liberty Transport opposite King of Pharmacy. 0245 276638. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. I had for her. I'm proper. Now, your daily dose of motivation. You see, if you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. If you want to fly, hey, can you miss him? If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. I deal with me now with dress, I make a fly. So if you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. See, I don't me pet chilled at the Yedina Nopa. That's a man of forms. At the Pahia Daroma. But anyway, my missus will be able to man. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. I know pay and crash our ceremony. And now, Mammy Chemu Titi and Fama now for Yantua show us your co break bar. Messi and SM Rebem. I'm hoping Rebem. Nayendin, come on. I want to talk to you, Miton can't your papa. Yeah, more fresh show us watch it. And yeah, baby. And then I'm pressing me any. What can I say? Yeah, Judy maybe. And to the fracture, maybe I will now. We have taxi, mammy who may be on now. Trot, I mean, who may be on now. What's your taxi motor car office? What's the provision store? Also, you got to crown out quite you, my crown, I mean, who may be out now. I turn up a crown shot something and says, so Opesa with 2 pound call when you are Braboma. And now, if you want to achieve greater things, a dear be a somewhat a sign, a dear be a way with now, a dear be officer, and why you do 18 my own call when him 18 my own for Sabe Pono, a patch of gem of photo form. Send your bay over to me out for a cosropa. The guy said, maybe I'm a semi started gym. Now, Mrs. Tamami school bag, yes, I say a boy woman, the bomaji. Yes, semi found for the poor, so boy. Meet to me for me, you bag to baby grab. And to be part of said, Opa shall call any moon. I sound the tintin titting in an say. Ain't ye in Cofuano Casa. And Cofor back Casa buabem. And Cofor back Casa wound to me yet. And Cofor back Casa and yaw southway and it to me ye. And Cofor back can send be a buabem. And to say, Opa say, Utum Pon, Pessa, ye nipati through Pessa, Cosro, Pessa project, no. A suban faswa. Do not listen to others. Safwano, Omonomoye, Adiana, away with down. So, whatever, away with down, please, Jemu to baby, lose that particular heavy thing. Away with down. etwe energy sign ema wabe mu bu na afoi ema wadwen free botai bi so no me pa chow jemoto advert bi ba say drop that yam please adie bia ofi say title pa woni mu say if not for obi kasa bia ankene nkobi aye ni party trupa enya asama obi kan bu obi abema ankene ye kan ka honest e wo kroma anka unya ba ko ka ho bi enya asama obi kan ye bu obi abema ankene obi aye ni pakase ya pa but that sound say obi bu na bem obi kan sem ya bi obi kan sem bi yesi bi ena wa yesi hu ensam basa na bem bui ena ojai nia oye no me pacho se wo pesa wo tumpon pesa wo kosoro if you want to fly give up everything that weighs you down adie bia aya me petwi bi dia hye ho pa me pempelefo twi bi dia hye ho ha osi akwan dia se nyem pelefo twi me pe inkobesie bia wo abrabo be pa cho boto twi ba bi inkobesie dia be da so wie me dia so wie on a more serious note, yeah. Adie bia ewe down. If you want to achieve greater things, if you want to be a highly personality, if you want to achieve your aim or your ambitions, please lose down everything that weighs you. Adie ma won't stay balanced. Emma won't stay stable. Me pacho jemu. It is even in the Bible says I was sabon kum hawa chato train ananyesa. And even your wife or your husband. All the answer me go too far. In fact, if your girlfriend or your boyfriend and I yes consider na curse him or her. Jai no for baba. Sura wali jaya unya wale papa. Me cover kaba. Me ma sisi ya because why wedding come on 3.3 FM train.
Kwekwe bra be hwe ene party am call no abrochen so ne e de serve me o de hwe ne bottle ni kura me. Hey uja we anna chwa me no water na wo tene nka anna chwa me no water Ghana ha ya na ye no na odan say so pamu depo na e wo Ghana commercial bank car park won mo a ene di hwe ne mu pe e wa gonsa foforo nu enu nti so pan dodo Saudi ye wo de wedding abedin tour party say wo nu mo fie anadwuma die bia me patch free 0249 680213 and 0500231091 enso na den and package enso FSA and natural mineral water natural FDA agiatum say eye
Classic ointment aye bio chromo half wapa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei
Classic ointment say dey see enam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre kopa bie de se ekro na agu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ
ointment ne powerful pa
hwe ingredients ya wode ye Classic ointment no ebi ni aloe vera papaya petroleum jelly cassia alata honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples eyam ana propro agu no enu an se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no wode Classic ointment no bi ebesere mu na abehu se yes ointment papa bi o ba bi
me the Classic ointment esiesie me ho ama age me se enye nanso pharmacies chemical ne herbal shops
ane titru ohene na herbal koforidua frisia ba ko and sons kumasi adu repash herbal okaishia kra netufo so afre 0544 791 600 ana 0500 799 833
FDA age ejwede nkrato yato
Pribi fufro epia wa paymentum achemu dan ni important our time in mat and bar eye biale sonko kura ayi ni tu achemu dan na no bibi na hyehyɛ so adamufu a our time in mat and bar ewo biale sonko ya to din say bamboo in na no bibi okɔ no mo a ensa wodro bia benya bia to eno ti da bia duada kwasi ada won wo honom okɔ benya bia bia tena dwodwo ho kama quality wine body splash perfume deodorant liquid soap foreign sardine and foreign goods ni na provision bia nso obenye bia to de ne say bia obedi dwumaso bi birthday and a program bi na pe ba bia tena agodwa eno so benya ba bi kama na de desronko kra e wo bamboo in ene say bia odi shebi edi ni birthday and ani je bi na aba and a person surprise obi a de yan so beba bamboo in wo mo be package kama and a hamper nice one near the surprise ni pa no na mom hye no so say your dan ya dia uncha delivery fee say your dan dia ubetua bibi kakra bamboo in ehye our time mini mat and bar ase wo ma cha kwan e wa chem dan wo mo ne MTT de no ene di hwanu mu pe meche police station na e won kwantanu misro fra no ne mu din sa wo so sisi ai ne surprise of dofoma 0244 732075 and 0244868385 our time mini mat and bar bamboo in adi esimi you will love it.
It's hard to believe my engineer.
Say you cast Dominion herbal powder emma immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na de senti wo tadi yare sun kunimu a ehu adanse bi ne o
adon de fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yese me se
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse nti na be kanfo ne aye wo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wo nsuo hie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase biagumu wo twa nseti yanum wo wie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo abaton mo manufo ene nkwada woni fiedum yenu de wonka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
when we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow any offense back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na de fia e hrampa o.
Ha, eya ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA ban ni Nko Limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan sen kwada enyoma ni ate se wan. Eya parazo enu ana me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afro. Na dia ba de na ahura poto bi di isi
eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata asusu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Bani Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wahoro won se uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wohoro nchaasi mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Wamuniama no, Ubenya Biato Wakuma, Setakra de Tamale, Ho, Sunyane Nkoko, Wabuase, Boga, Odan, Ghana Commercial Bangi, NAD Animushe. Sawa Penidoso Pomatua, Ubenya B, Awaka, Swa, Winiba Road, Huankasana Factory no SCA.
Mame number no, Namfan Koma Koima, no so from
0242 771 650 and now 0247 576 643.
Medofo, now so Mudini body saying.
JA Binding and Call Limited.
Jaja, me drew Hosesia. Empire King of Grace Chapel present to you 5 days power pack prayer Omude nenum ade asiwa ya de ba be bompa ya emu odin ade agye awodin akwakoru December ene January mu. Na dwumadie atifi asam ne say bring your alabaster boss ointment. Luke chapter 7 verse 37. Ya wa kasa for bebre ene eba dwumadie ase. Emmanuel Asante Asene presiding. And Emmanuel Achiampo Anomase presiding. Reverend Brat Ofoli Bremen Sikuma Evangelist Kofi Amwako Abuabo presiding. Elder Makiel Techi Oda presiding. Elder Posiao Asing Arabo Anna Prophetess Mel Enkansa Reverend Mrs. Mercy Techi Anna me Wakunkroma Frikasi Mensomi Yakasafo Na Osofo Pomwa Jumadi Esini Nanso Aya Reverend Frank Kwasi Enkansa Ya wanyum to Fobebre and Ebe Jumadi Nasi Neti Sanya Jumadi Nibekoni Monday up to Tuesday Yabekano Pasori 4:30 to 6 a.m. in the morning Saturday and Wednesday Anopasori 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Now Tuesday Ekosi Thursday Numreno 6:30 p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. That kind of say if you dano all night Yatoya Safro Bibia Brabi na Ubeyen Shilapa na Nekosi Adason Yabepa District Women's Movement Ano Tiemu se Adumre Oba Shayenso
Pacific Mars Enterprise. Amazing Grace. Yedi abrocha bagana wasesemukra. Akofa niema wudu pe. Edi efia brochira ba. Edi na wo pesa woto. Say brand new. Ana say home use. Say stuffing chair, sofa chair, dining chair, office chair, wheelchair, outdoor chair. Any konya wudu edi ha nyina. Say center table, glass, ana say wooden table. Yetunto musical instrument awudo, pumping machine, hand dryer, yetunto microwaves, toaster, electric iron, and fe washing bowls awudo. Ayedema hairdressers, whoop and fan edi above them. Afe TV no, yetunto inches awudo nyina bi we asoye. Na yen ironing board no, eye casual bakope, woolen carpet, and afe shovels nyina. Yakofo for original tenter, yet for the tapolini biaba, and unti sa opedia rente, ubi asoya, wubenya biato. Pacific Mars Enterprise. Esanton to bags a wood doing nebi, traveling bags, and as a school bag, baby scotters so, ya one year journal so gym instructors, ya the gym machines a papa, and your fabro chiaba. Pacific Mars Enterprise. So free Akimoda, now Koswadra, coupon checkpoint 1 more, any walk fraying 0547 716580 and 0542 308730. Pacific Mars Enterprise. A Bubroncosia, a dear bay insider.
Era, me pacho brana me shade wo bagi.
Bra, aden, enen subiem.
Hey, time heba me share me kan say yi ba kwin, and we yi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me sha esia chimi ni me fie for enya dia ba ko ebeso yen.
We dia udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me sha me kasa me di one dance ya heaven ene de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, die nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma o. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada nofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo 3-day malaria yi bi ansa. Se o petam heba mixture enuro dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo Atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ura pharmacy shop, chemical shop, any herbal shop dudu na mu a obenya bi ato.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo set time no TIME. Time Herbal Mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ.
FDA ahwe edwadie nkrato yi mu agi atomo se eye.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Ejumo.
Shock Empire. I'm Rad. Younger KA. My show come. We dey do anything, we know they watch anybody. Yeah, bra, Sikaba, make we party. We dey do anything, we know they watch anybody. Yeah, bra, Sikaba, make we party. Honey, you die and jaibi. Wanna guess on a one Saudi. Brian, Bray, one Kaibi. Baby boo, honey, and Shobi. Honey, you die and jaibi. Wanna guess on a one Saudi. Brian, Bray, one Kaibi. baby boo, honey, yen shobi. I know yen shobi, hey, yen shobi. Yeah, party ni shasa, one dozy, I know one posy, I know one shobi. Do your turn, I know one coachy. Shock Empire for na yeba no. Why you don't go be any me ya do party all day. Yan ya chillin' no champagne ya pop my why you po. Me kai brana mini be friends and neighbors so kwa mun ko be patch with friends. Dine mini be oh hianti ya nyime nyamu po na mini be sikaba come join me. Breakfast belle no more tea wadala chat mama no more heat no binedity you get no pee my account got me.
Wait, change my big boy, you try me home, Embopo, and Kuala Toffee, rap more cratchy, it's a 4 bottle, mate 4 points, a doctor for panier, it's film for buyer, it's a 1 for prodo, I are for cocoa, Trey, me, I may not be who you want to crack, and Quanana, I'm in Premu, a Santi 4 a soldier for 2, a crystal for Bible, I catch a 4 pen, a queer 4 second, Mokola 4 Kent, I eat the 4 ballet, a chim from Pessie, with them, you got Kate, Pepe, Mushemi, and Yebe, a Juma with ye, the Chua dear, any day, formula near simple, with impunity, because as a bonnet, my Okru Jawachina, a Vanessa rap ninja, men, I'm a walker, be bombing in our cocoa, Tum Coco, Tiatia, Mia, Tintin, Tiatia, and I know me a big drop, feed me, me fata, one gun banana, scatter, skills yet a woman, when you summon Pusia, put in a yawa, Libera, Utimisia, a big Japadia, not a big watch, spell it, Uyamachawadia, Wabon, we, what is some money, for hip life to buy yet, Babone, we play life, I say Madina phone boots, and I come, watching out of order, a year, as some girl come up, Namikita, hip life ninja, what you make, Chiga.
So I mean, who said, we share, get it, tama, and running.
Ejumo!
My juice, yeah. So fire, my baby, so fire. Think me so fire. So fire. Hold it, you got me controlling. Me in your bed, I'm blowing. You got me controlling, so fire. Hold it, you got me controlling. Me in your bed, I'm blowing. You got me controlling, so fire. I just dropped 4 down. Yeah, I get down. Me and this girl, we dey run down. Fine girl, she get me from Cape Town. Me, I tell am say I no get time, but she don't give me some small chance. No, person me go in my mind. Fine girl, me I live for you. My heart will be for you. And every time I think about you, I just wanna be with you. Fine girl, me I live for you. My heart will be for you. And every time I think about you, I just wanna be with you. So fire, my baby, so fire. So fire. So fire, my baby, so fire.
We come through like morning show.
Have a blessed day.
Hide your girl, cause we don't give up. We know the fear, shell it, and we look fly. Oh, pepe, sweet vibes, yeah. Ballers, pele. Me and the guys, we there for one corner, oh corner, oh corner. Hide your lover, oh lover, oh lover. From the fire, fire, oh fire, yeah. Me and the guys, we there for one corner, oh corner, oh corner. Hide your lover, lover, oh lover. From the fire, fire, oh fire, yeah.
We got our eyes on the girls in the corner, eyes on the eyes on the
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
We live in la vida loca. Holiday, here we come. My guys are scared to enter the DM of Megan Thee Stallion. Cause we are young, we carry on, oh my God, bet you are feeling this song, we know the fear, shell it, and we look fly, oh pepe, sweet vibes, yeah, ballers, pele. Me and the guys, we there for one corner, oh corner, oh corner. Hide your lover, oh lover, oh lover. From the fire, fire, oh fire, yeah. Me and the guys, we there for one corner, oh
Misha na Misaki, Onyanya Mina Waya, Gana for Wonka. Hey, Adamani Naduna Benny, Onyanya Mina Waya, Gana for Wonka. Hey, and I met Tassa, that's your mother body.
Have a blessed day.
And I met Tassa, that's your mother body. I came, I saw, I conquer it all. Yamina kasa washa meba. Osiden, osimamumbo. Ben kodona minya no more. Ziwe chinchin na mama birakwa. Abide wasa mama mamusi me ya hunja mama kira. Ebe, onyana duma. Akweshana brenyi nechi. He made me the winner. The head know the tail. Now goodness and mercy the photo.
Have a blessed day.
Makoma,